Fáilte Garja, my name is Mr. O'Sullivan. Hurlamaboc Eochairfhocail Ardleville. A céalúra pósa celebrating a marriage. Curran Lishin Albright smacht Lishin Albright controls. A hiavá ho síalta, her social image. Fiúván a tailach, even her family. Ní mór do bhaintear ascail na Fuinseoige. The people of Ascail na Fuinseoige must. Rahul agus Dahul, successful and good-looking. Fáca ó lár an énig, isolated or left out. Cóthíoch, alien or foreign or strange. Gruig ghorca, dark hair. So shlucht seo in this extract. Eg era, satirizing or mocking. Luchana, values. Dini Sevra, wealthy people. A writ on Tíogar Celtic, during the Celtic Tiger. Mar an Locht an Clachta, the people of the extract live. A bubble a down, in a shallow community. Bunaha ábharachas, based on materialism. Ábharach, materialistic. Gafa lena hiavá, obsessed with her image. Banhéla, a wife. Is fashionta, most fashionable. Is tahula, most good looking. Is finna, most blonde. Baul, a member. Agriachti Carhanachta, charity organizations. Concurlena, to add to her. Stad socialta, social status. Imask na gorson, amongst the neighbours. Edawn, shallow. An chluas bauer, the deaf ear. Dun irina, to the truth. Neil Fibna uhi, she doesn't want problems. Barlin a mock fain, even her own son would prefer. Ave in a co-luther, to be in her company. Laurt gumakanta, to speak honestly or sincerely. Sunanta, innocent. Cé nach na brain lishin, even though lishin doesn't work. Féidir hochtaí, possibilities. Léchtúir Ulscoile, a university lecturer. Farganó Rahul, a successful businessman. Lishin Ulvinach, ambitious lishin. Miúsáid, misuse. A hummus, his ability. Lar Olvor Moine, a gigantic gulf of wealth. A charna, to gather or to heap. Slán live.